Hello friends, welcome. So let others join also. We'll start. I have some few announcements to make also. Daily 7:30 we are coming live and discussing about technical issues, about the feedbacks on our tutorials and all. We are frequently adding tutorials on our main areas like Python and Tkinter application. Right now we are focusing more on Tkinter. Other than that, we have MySQL, SQLite database, Python, PHP, also web programming, JavaScript, jQuery, HTML. All this stuff we also handling web programming. Then this backend management and all. We will also study those things. Friends, you can join us daily. We can give your feedbacks. This is for the 10 minutes we come online. Less or 10 minutes or less. Sometime if some more questions or points are there, then we get it, we extend the time. So request you to regularly join us at this 7:30, almost all the days, probably leaving the Sunday. So based on the requirements, I also come online if I am available and all. So friends, this some important blog post we are going to add it. So one beautiful one I have added. I will tell you give you the link and all. So tell your friends also to join. So we can have a useful discussion, because we frequently update the tutorials also based on your feedbacks and all. So request you to watch our feedbacks and like and subscribe to our tutorials, so you can use it in your projects and all your classes, and wherever you can apply it. And if you have any doubt, ideas, suggestion, questions, you can discuss with us, and that is why we commit at 7:30. Namaste Pratik. So we'll continue, and please inform your friends also to join. One important blog post we have added today, and that is what I will be announcing that one. So you can study that, but tutorials will take bit time. That's quite interesting. And yesterday, just wrap up, yesterday we have discussed about table view. Hope you have different sources we have discussed, and day before that we discussed how a table view to create, how to manage the properties and all. So that's how you can extend, means a structured data you can display it, say from because that is a beautiful tool to display data, and with a very less effort we can manage the style and all colors we can change. Now friends, before we move further, I will just show you about the new blog post, whatever. You can still read that also. Let me just take you there. This blog post what is going to come up in the next week. Anyway, we will continue also our TTK bootstrap, we are continuing. So I will be studying more on that and developing the one. See, this is an application where different labels you can drag it and move it on the window. But you see, you cannot able to, because there are two frames are there. So this particular one I was working on it. So this is about the frames, because I declared this particular label is a part of the left side frame, so it is not able, we cannot drag it to right. So that is the reason, cannot take it to the right of it. So that is the reason I cannot and moreover, let's just see the blog post now. Here it is, the blog is here. You can just study this blog post, go to the each and every section of it, work on it, then drag and drop the labels, then copy the entire, different sections are there in that. Initially I will just request you to start with the basic one. Anyway, this I will be expanding also. This is the basic one. So dragging a label, then all the details of the whatever the variables you are using, all are explained here. I will just tell you you work on the TTK bootstrap, don't jump into here. So this anyway, though the URL is there, if you have comfortable with the bootstrap, that table view, then you come down to here. Here anyway the code, everything link is there, everything in the discussion I have left the link also. Then the list box, I have just connected two list box. Say you can change the order of the elements also, drag it to the top, bring it that. Then suppose you have three list boxes, you can from the left you can bring the items to second, from second to third, you can just do that. So this will be in your application, this will be quite useful, and the entire source code here you can just copy it. So let me hope this tutorials will help you in understanding the concepts. So I am just going to give you these tutorials will help you in understanding various aspects of it, the blog post and all. I just videos, it will take some time for me to develop and give you that one. Friends, I am with this TTK Bootstrap. Let me know whether what are the topics you want, MySQL, SQLite or PHP, Python basics. What you want to learn, you just tell me. I am thinking if people are interested, then you can go for Python basics. So basic Python, we can study that also. That's all, friend. It's Saturday. I just want to give you some introduction. Don't want to drag you for more time, and you. Anyway, all tutorials are available and all. So next week probably that drag and drop tutorial will be adding up. So the blog post you can read that, it is available, see the codes, experiment with the codes, try to suggest more applications and all. Whatever you feel like doing it, download and modify the code. Meanwhile, I am just also working on the other aspects of Python, say data analytics, data analysis, then pandas, particularly pandas data analysis is quite useful because that will give you a mindset of how a data can be interpreted, how to read the data, not that reading line by line, what is the summary of the data, how the insights you will get. All these are beautifully you can see. Tkinter is just an application, say it's a GUI, it's an interface. Backend also pandas will be there, so you can take the data from panda or analysis it or input it to the pandas and all. So I am just exploring what topic next to focus more other than the Tkinter. You let me know if you have some ideas and all. Hope you have got a good idea on all the tutorials and all. So once again requesting you, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon, so you will be always notified whenever we come online and discuss all these things. Tell your friends also to join in for this evening discussion. For 10 minutes only we try to come, and you have any ideas, suggestions, questions, feel free to post it here or below our tutorials. That will help all of us. And how many of you are interested in PHP? That is one of the beautiful area. It will give you a background server side programming, that idea you will get it, particularly web programming. That is, let me know about that. Hope you all been HTML and all, you must be knowing it. So with the power of PHP you can create dynamic websites. Database you can integrate it, bring the data out, display it, login, session management, all the stuff you can study also. Okay friends, I don't want to bombard with too many things to you. Just study whatever we have this week, we have discussed, whatever tutorials we have added. TTK Bootstrap table view is important because many of the applications you need structured data to come. So tabular view is important. You building a library system, anything you want to somewhere to display tabular data. That idea will help you. Even if you change the platform also, those ideas, those queries, those how you take data from SQLite database. Front end may change, instead of Tkinter you may be displaying it in a browser, but those basic concepts remain same. So that is why I say that you use the table view and gain knowledge on that area. So more you do, your interaction means your confidence on those subjects will go up. I hope that's all friends. So I hope you, okay, it's 10 minutes already. Hope you have doing well and enjoy the weekend. We'll join again. Hopefully if tomorrow I may or may not come, it's a Sunday. If I'll come, just I will update you. You can watch that, or hope in next session also. Tell your friends also to join and subscribe to our channel. That's all friends. I'll conclude today. Hope to meet you our next live session, and meanwhile watch the tutorials. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching.